How to install WhatsApp on laptop or PC. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go out a quick and easy on how you can install WhatsApp on your PC. Well, you don't need to do anything basically. All you gotta do is you can click over here on start icon at the bottom left. Then you can search in for apps, right? On the search bar, you want to search in for Microsoft Store and you want to open up Microsoft Store. Once you have opened up, you can simply head over to search bar and you can type in WhatsApp, and the WhatsApps will be officially available on your Microsoft Store. Now you can either get the beta or you can get WhatsApp. Simply click on the particular application, either beta or app, and then simply click on get. Once you click on get, it will start the installation process and you should be able to get it. Now here it's asking me to log into Microsoft account since I'm logged out. But once you have logged in, it will start the installation process right away and you'll be able to easily open it up and log into your account. Now logging in process is easy as well. So this is how you can easily install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.